What up, yo? Hey, just wondering, how many of us out here are finding out where God is working and we're joining in? Because I think that is so biblical and it is so good. If you see where God is working out here in the community or different individual lives He's working in, why don't we want to be a part of that and join and just build the kingdom and totally be a part of the whole body? You know, God is so good and so big that our own little separate entities when we starting up, no, they can be good in a certain way, but it's about building the whole body. You know, let's not start something from scratch and then ask God to bless it and ask Him to put His hand on it and put His blessings all in it. See, that's not the way the Spirit is. You pray and seek God for vision, for discernment, for wisdom. And you ask Him, Lord, lead me where you want me to go. Show me where you want me to go. Be excited. Be excited to ask God. No, love it, And because I'm telling you, He will give it to you, but you have to be sensitive to the Spirit and allow yourself to be totally led by the Spirit. See, when I think of led by the Spirit, I don't think of asking Him and then starting it, then telling Him to come and bless it. No, I'm thinking seeing God, because He's a leader, so I'm seeing Him ahead of me, doing some things, and you know what? I'm following, I'm joining, I'm being a part of it. Come on, y'all. Let's be a part of what God is doing. Let's not create our own thing and ask God to come and bless our own thing unless He calls you directly, because that still would be considered following if He called you, So God bless, man. God bless. Stay encouraged in the Spirit. But believe me, allow your heart, mind, and the things that come out your mouth be totally led by the Spirit, because your mouth can and will produce life or death, period. That's all it would do. But we hoping that you will produce fruit with your mouth. So that means the Spirit, you will lead by you will let the Spirit lead, you will follow it, and then you will use it to encourage and impact others. God bless.